Hello, my name is Liz Thomas, Director of the Mental Health Services Research Lab in the College of Public Health at Temple University. In this video, my team and I will tell you about a research study we're conducting called the Peer Decision Coaching Study. The purpose of this research is to learn about whether a new intervention called peer decision coaching can support young adults who are participating in early intervention and psychosis services with making decisions about their mental health care. Young people who are participating in early intervention services often have to make a lot of decisions about their care. For example, they might be deciding about what goals to set for themselves, like, should I work or should I go to school? They may also be deciding about whether to take medications and whether they should continue in the early intervention program. The goals of peer decision coaching are, one, to assist young people with the process of making decisions about whether and how they should use mental health services to reach their life goals. And two, to empower them to share their opinions and preferences with members of their treatment team and with other supporters like family members. Peer decision coaching is offered by a peer specialist who is a person with a mental health diagnosis who has been trained to provide support to others. The peer decision coach may have faced similar decisions as the ones that young people are facing and may be able to talk to them about their own experiences as they work together. Now, Rachel, a research assistant in the lab, will tell you more about how peer decision coaching works.
Hi, I'm Rachel, and I'm going to give you an overview of what peer decision coaching will look like as a participant in this study. The peer decision coaching lasts 1 to 3 months on a weekly or bi-weekly basis for about an hour. Peer decision coaching consists of 3 phases: relationship building, decision support, and follow-up. During the relationship building phase, the participant and the peer decision coach will get to know one another, build a trusting relationship and connection, and establish agreed upon ways of working together. During the next phase, decision support, the decision coach will assist the participant in identifying a decision, exploring their decision-making needs, and addressing those needs. During the follow-up phase, the participant and coach will check in and see how things are going with decision-making. They will also determine if additional support is needed and reflect on what they have learned in the process. Jenna, a research assistant in the lab, will now tell you about some of the decision-making needs participants can expect to address with their coach, as well as what to expect during coaching.
Hi, my name is Jenna Patel, and I will be talking about the peer decision coaching and what to expect. Some of the decision-making needs of a participant that may be addressed with the peer decision coach include clarifying what decisions you need to make, examining the pros and cons of your options, help in obtaining information or resources related to your decision, support in clarifying what is important to you and what role you would like yourself and others to play in making decisions, and helping build and practice communication skills needed to get support, express your opinions, and manage unwanted pressure from others. Participants can expect to continuously collaborate with their peer decision coach throughout the 1 to 3 months and will decide together how time and meetings will be spent and what to do in between meetings. Participants will learn new information, strategies, and skills that will help to make decisions about involvement in the early intervention program. Peer decision coaches will collaborate with other members of the participants' treatment team that may be involved and affected by the decision. There will also be the opportunity to involve other supporters such as family, friends, significant others, and community members in the decision-making process. John, another research assistant in the lab, will now talk to you about how to become a participant in the study.
Hello, my name is John Suarez, research assistant of the Mental Health Services Research Lab. In this video, I will tell you more about how to get involved in this study and what you'll be asked to do if you participate. To be eligible to participate in this study, you must be between the ages of 18 to 30, be able to provide informed consent, be enrolled in an early intervention and psychosis program. You're not eligible if you have a legal guardian, have a diagnosis of dementia, delirium, or intellectual disability. You'll be asked to complete 2 research interviews, which will take place at your early intervention program, Temple University, over the phone or video conference. You have the option to skip any questions you do not wish to answer, or leave the research interviews if they cause you discomfort. You will participate in peer decision coaching in between research interviews. During the research interviews, you'll be asked to answer questions about yourself, such as your age, use of mental health services over the past month, and your experience making treatment decisions. We will also ask your psychiatrist or your therapist to complete a questionnaire about how involved he or she believes you are in your treatment. To the extent allowable by law, we limit the viewing of your personal information to people who have to review it. All information collected from or about you will be securely stored. Your name will never appear in published reports about this research. For completing research interviews 1 and 2, you will receive $50 in electronic gift cards. If you're interested in participating or learning more about this study, you can contact our research staff via email, john.suarez@temple.edu. You can call us at the phone number listed here, 215-204-4330. You can text us at 215-596-1804. You can also follow us on Twitter at MHSRLab_TU. Thank you.